Hi friends, we are posting daily videos about latest exams. So guys, if you want all over India exams related update, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest update related to the exams. So guys, Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology has released the admit card for the GJU clerk typing post. So guys, GJU clerk typing test will visit the official website GJU st.ac.in and download your admit card. So according to the schedule available on the official website, clerk typing test will be conducted on 1st Feb to 14th Feb. Candidates can download the GJU clerk typing test admit card either from the official site. This is the official site gjust.ac.in. You download it and take a printout for the exam. So please subscribe my channel for the latest update related to the exams. If you have any information, any query, please share it in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Stay updated. Stay tuned. Thank you.